Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Big Gauchos, Stock Investor Show. It's Glad Our Pockets help put money in your pocket. I'm Austin, back with the boys. We got another heater for you today. Let's go.
Sir, what's up, Big Gaucho? It's your boy, Big Gaucho Tyler. We back with another banger video. Stay tuned for this one.
Mm-hmm.
How's it going, Big Gauchos? We are back indeed. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all love and support. And yeah, Austin, take it away.
Yes, we sure do. And wait for you to hit that like button before we can start. All right, yeah, now we're good. All right, thank you for that. And now, first story we got up, you might have seen in the thumbnail, but two factors, Bitcoin and record low unemployment, have allowed the Dow to make a little bit of a comeback here. If you were following the stocks this week, you would see that the Dow was taking some pretty major hits Monday through Wednesday for the most part. Today, we were able to improve quite a bit. And that's in part due to a couple of these factors. Number one, only 444,000 new jobless claims this week, which sounds like a ridiculously high amount, but it's actually the lowest since this time last year. So
Wow.
1 year low, if that means anything to you. And Bitcoin was all the way down to 29,000 a couple days ago by the time you're seeing this episode. And now it's back up over 40,000 as of Thursday night. So making some big gains there with the crypto scene. Also, Ethereum is up 5.7% and Doge is up 12%. So with that being said, it's seeming like now that the cryptocurrencies seem to be correlated with how the markets move too. So it could be an indicator of future performance, and at the very least, it's very influential by itself. Just the Bitcoin and Ethereum scene, because a lot of coins are backed by them too. So, boys, what do you think? Do you think Bitcoin's going to take another dip? Do you think Bitcoin going back up is a good sign for stocks? Never thought I would say that, but it appears it's correlated now.
All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. By the dip. So Bitcoin was at around 55,000. We all know it went down to 29,000. It's like over a 30% drop within a week. I think it's a great time to buy in if you want to get a position in. But at the same time, you also have to realize that with big gains could also come big losses. I could also see a big, another big drop going along. I mean, I hope there's another big drop, to be honest. If it gets under 20, your boy's in it 100%. But if you like high risk, you like high reward, like a lot of fast-paced trading, this is for you. And if you just want to throw some money in and see if you can get big gains in the long run, I also recommend buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So take a look at that. Dogecoin is kind of still a meme, but the only cool thing about that is Tesla and Elon Musk might start accepting it. So you might see $1 very soon if this happens. So get in while you can.
Very true. A lot of experts, I saw a couple articles the other day, they were predicting that it would in fact go down and have a little bit more of those volatile trades again. I just missed that $29,000 Bitcoin by a couple hours, and kind of regret not buying in just because it went up to 40,000 in 1 day. So it'd be pretty significant gains on any dollar amount invested. So
That's pretty wild. How it changes so rapidly throughout, even just like a couple hours. I don't know. It's kind of scary.
I know you would think it would be a little more standard, but I guess that's the whole point, is that it's decentralized. So that's what people like about it. It's very high risk, but it could be high reward. Just I hope for everybody's sake that nobody's still holding that bought at 60,000 a coin. That'd be very unfortunate right now. So yeah, make sure you check it out and try them out on Coinbase too. I think Bitcoin could be a buy, and I'm glad it's improving the markets. If it dips under 30, I'll buy some for sure.
Well, me
All
too,
right,
big guy.
I'll hold you to that.
Okay, sounds
If
like
it
a
dips
plan.
under 5, I'll buy a couple too.
Under 5.
Yeah, like $5.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
Well, maybe if there's a mass extinction of Bitcoin usage, but maybe the Federal Reserve is getting a little bit more into digital coins themselves, and we could see some more benefit from that.
Yeah, so it was announced today that Big Daddy J Powell is gonna meet with some other people on the Fed sometime this summer to talk about creating a digital dollar. It's not gonna be like a coin similar to Bitcoin or Dogecoin or Ethereum, where it's decentralized. It's just essentially gonna be a normal US fiat dollar as a digital. So kind of weird. I guess it's a new way of paying for things potentially, but they said they probably wouldn't replace the actual dollar, just have a new crypto dollar, I guess. But I think it's kind of stupid personally. It feels like an easy way to inflate the currency. Just,
Mhm.
add a couple zeros here and there.
Just a way to avoid printing more money. It sounds like a digital Visa gift card.
Yeah, I'm
PayPal
kind of
invented a gift
confused
card.
because I thought there already is like a cryptocurrency that's tied to the US dollar. They call it Tether. I'm pretty sure it's on Coinbase. When you sell your crypto, it goes into that wallet. So
I don't know. I agree with you, I guess.
It's just,
Yeah, I
it's
don't
just
know
a
either.
it's just a wallet to hold your US dollars, and then you can cash out.
What's the difference between a bank account and that?
Do nothing. It's just
Yeah,
if you're using Coinbase as your bank account, you probably need to reevaluate your life decisions.
yeah, no, it doesn't make any sense to me because that's just basically what a bank account is. You have all your currency or all your dollars and all your money in that, and you spend it using your credit card or debit card or whatever card. That's the whole point of it.
Really, I think the only value to it is if you have major Bitcoin or Ethereum holdings and you just have it all in one place, kind of like your wallet, and you just do a bunch of transfers in order to pay for things in crypto. Other than that, I really don't see the point. Like
Yeah, I
if I needed the cash and like I had that Bitcoin personally, I'd probably just cash it out and send it to a bank like ACH transfer, but that's just me.
I
Fair
I can
enough.
see
Fair
that. I
enough.
can see that. That makes sense. But
A little more controlled. I don't know.
yeah, I mean, if I want to transfer my Bitcoin into my bank account, then the US, crypto coin would then take it into that and making it into US dollars. That makes sense. There's
Exactly.
usability because
Exactly. Yeah.
Coinbase and all of them, when you sell out, they charge you a fat fee, and it's like a $500, $600 for like those bigger purchases.
That's how
So
they
yeah,
get
if you
you.
can avoid that and pay a smaller fee, just taking it straight to your bank account using US dollar coin, then okay, that makes sense. I got it.
US dollar coin.
I don't know. I don't know what else to call it.
Everybody's crypto madness is going crazy.
Yeah, it seems like they're kind of copying China though, because China did something similar to that with their yen. They have a
Mhm.
digital yen.
Hmm. Yeah,
China.
it's very interesting. But they also did recently have a little bit of a ban on some Bitcoin. That's part of the reason why the price crashed on Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dude, I'm not gonna lie. I thought this was old news because they did this stuff in 2017. Like China came out saying like they're not gonna accept Bitcoin and that they're not like being a part of that.
It's true.
So
Well,
I don't know.
hey man, I don't know. I don't make the
Short
rules.
short-term memory loss.
I
People can only remember
guess.
things for about 1 month and they forget.
Seriously, oh, it is what it is. But I think buy-in just to have, who knows? You could 100 times your money. Like if you were put into like a Dogecoin at the beginning, you never know.
Yeah, you very well could. It's entirely possible. I think it's a buy in moderation, but we don't make the rules, but we do make the biggest winners, the biggest losers, and the sleepers.
Ooh, let's hit that soundtrack.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Number one, very self-explanatory. Samsara luggage is up 67.66%. Really couldn't find any news on this company, so I have no idea. Just call it a happy accident if for some reason you bought some of this stock. And number two, we got Lightspeed POS Incorporated up 15.69%. It doesn't stand for the swear word that you're thinking of, but
Are
instead,
you sure?
I'm positive. I had to check.
Point of sales.
Yeah, I had to check. Um, it's point of sale
Lightspeed
cash
piece of
registers and business management software. So kind of like those cash registers you see at the fast food restaurants that have all the pictures of food. You just click which one you want to ring up. Yeah, that's what you're working with. So very cool, very cool.
All right. Well, there you have it.
Not much to it, and not much to these big losers either. You pretty much already know what these are. Number one, we got Kohl's Corporation coming in at minus 10.17%. I think everybody knows what Kohl's is, and we're going to get to that a little bit later in the show. Kohl's sucks. Who said that?
Who
Anyway,
said that?
number two, we got Ralph Lauren Corporation down 7%. Very even decline. They do make a good shirt. The man knows what he's doing, and I'm a fan, but I can see why the luxury brands are tanking. It's just not a priority for people, especially in uncertain times.
True.
Mm-hmm. Well, a little bit tired from doing that, so we'll get our nap in. Sleep. Sheesh. All right. I told you we get back to this, okay? We get Kohl's Corporation coming in hot again, just 1 minute later. So, I mean, if we can all be honest with each other, they're going bankrupt like ASAP Rocky, like Blockbuster Fast bankruptcy style, Chapter 11. Take no prisoners. Wall Street Bets is going to pump them up. So if you're buying in now, it's probably going to go to $200. This is going to be the new GameStop. So you can quote me on that. I don't care. All you people that are going to watch this in 3 months after it happens and come back, write nasty comments on this video, just you can quote me. I don't even care anymore.
It's going to happen. We know. Buy in now. We're all in.
That's going to happen. 100% positive.
Just mortgage your house real fast.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I mean, mortgage the house and then get margin on top of that. You should be good to go. Trust me.
Oh yeah.
Tell your kidney you can buy it back later.
Yeah, you just got to do a snap call, check raise type situation. Number 2, we got Viacom CBS. This was in the news a few weeks ago, just because hedge funds were dumping it, and when Arcade Ghost Capital went bankrupt, and they're down about $50 a share from where their peak was. So that's good enough reason to buy it.
Respect.
Yep.
I like the technical analysis.
Yeah, that's very good DD and technical analysis. So lastly, coming in number 3, we got Nokia Corporation, the 5G kings of America. Big Gaucho Dave and I are personally invested. There's really no other reason to buy it other than it's simply the best, and nothing but the best will do.
Yeah, I like Nokia.
Yeah.
I've been making some gains on Nokia, and I
Yep.
see it going to probably about $80 by this time next year.
I would hope so. maybe 180. 180 is the goal. 80 is the minimum. So that's what I like to say.
Take it.
Anyhow, now that we've broken that $5 resistance on Nokia, we also got to break into this Anchor ad, because they're the best podcasting solutions platform on the planet, and they always sponsor our show. So let's hit that ad.
Ooh.
All right. Everybody, I need everybody to listen up. We all need to boycott Ruby Tuesday. It sucks. No new additions to the bankruptcy boneyard. And with that being said, it seems as though Big Gaucho Canal has taken the dub today.
He's garbage.
Whoa. Hey, I didn't say that. I didn't say that. This competition is
Dude,
getting a little
honestly,
bit
you gotta
too
respect
heated.
Canal.
What?
I was getting a little bit excited.
Yeah, I know.
I'm
It's
coming
heated.
I'm coming for you, Dave.
Okay. Fair enough.
Well, boys, what do we think it's coming down to today?
Ooh, I got one if you want me to let me go.
Yeah, you can rip it.
33,690.
33,690. So it's a pretty decent drop.
Oh yeah, we're going down in the DMs.
33,690. I'll
go with
say
35K.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Doesn't affect my range. I'm gonna see bet.
Wait for the flop.
Let's see. Wow, that's really in the middle. Let's see. I'm gonna
35K in the
go-
middle.
No,
3670.
I meant I'm kind of in the middle. These couldn't be more opposite. Let's see. I'm gonna go with 34,184.
You're garbage.
Why? Because I said it would go up 100 points.
Because you basically picked the close.
Dude, it's up.
Yeah, you're garbage.
That's up
You're
100
you're
points.
garbage. You're
You gotta-
garbage.
You gotta live a little. Hey, forget about it, okay?
Forget about it. Hey.
All right. Well, tune in next time. See if we do a reenactment of The Sopranos after that. But I want to thank everyone for listening. I hope you enjoyed the show. Leave us a voice message on anchor.fm/gauchos or biggauchos.com if you want to send us an investing tip when I play on the show. Tyler, do that disclaimer for us.
All right, big gauchos, don't forget about it. We are not licensed brokers. Everything said on this podcast is our opinions from our experiences. With that being said, please do your due diligence and invest safely, big gauchos. Please like and subscribe. We're growing every day. We broke 200 subscribers. Big Gaucho store coming now. We're gonna have it, boys. We did it. Let the viewers know our amazing Instagram, David. Let's go.
So the Instagram is at Big Gauchos. Post some pretty good stuff. You will not regret going on. You will probably be bussing.
Yeah,
Busted.
that's true. Yep. Instagram is at Big Nachos. Heard it here first. And make sure you also check us out on all streaming services at Big Nachos. We are on Apple, Spotify, Anchor, YouTube, Google, Pocket Cast, Breaker, Radio Public, Overcast, or you can add us to your own RSS feed anywhere you listen to podcasts. And make sure to, especially if you're listening to Apple Podcasts, leave us a rating 1 to 5 stars. We do not accept anything less than 4.5 stars. And leave us a review to tell us who your favorite Big Gaucho is. Boys, we got anything else to add?
Don't forget about it.
Don't forget about it.
All right.
Shout out to Jabir. That one was for you. Well, good night from Arizona. Have a amazing day. Peace.